Managing a website or server can sometimes feel complicated, especially if you are using the slow hosting or limited tools. But today, I'll show you how to make it super simple with Kamatera cloud hosting with cPanel. Kamatera gives you enterprise level servers that's very easy to start even if you are a beginner. And the best part is that will give you the 30 days free trial. So what is Kamatera? It has 24 data centers worldwide, which means your website or app will be fast no matter where your users are. They offer pay as you go pricing, and if you ever need help, they have 24/7 live support. Not just a chatbot, they have a real human to support you. And we can see this is a website, kamatera.com. Open this, and as you can see here, they have a multiple products. Okay, so I'm gonna just go to the marketplace. They have a lot of products, so we're gonna deep dive into the cPanel. Okay, so just scroll down, and as you can see here, we have a cPanel. Just click on this. So cPanel is a very important tool in every hosting. Using this, you can easily manage your domains, you can easily install the WordPress, and you can easily manage your website. So let me show you how we can install the cPanel. Click on the Start Your Free Trial. Here you need to fill your email ID and the password. So once you create an account, you can log in into this panel. So let's click on the login. I already have created an account for that. So once you log in, your dashboard look like this. So in the left side, you will see here the option of My Cloud. So you have a 30 days free trial. So you can use it. In the left side, you will see here the option of Create New Server. Click on this. So you can select the zone. So I'm going to just select the Asia and the China, Hong Kong. Okay. And you can select the Singapore, Japan according to your requirement. And choose the image. So I'm going to just select the app's image here. And I'm going to select the cPanel. Click on this. Now just scroll down and you can see the choose a version. So I'm going to select this one version and just scroll down. Here you will see the option of type or server space type. So I'm going to just choose here the general one, B1. And you can see the CPU. So I'm going to select the 2. RAM, I'm going to select the 4 GB. And the SSD, I'm going to select the 20 GB. And just scroll down and you will see the option of create a password. So I'm going to just create one password here. Once you have a password, in the right side, you will see here the option of name. So just put the server name. So I'm going to just put here the TCP cPanel server. And then scroll down, you will see here the option of create a server. Just click on this. So once you click on this, it will take some seconds to generate a server for you. Now let's go to the server option. And as you can see here, we have the TCP cPanel server. Now how we can access this? So it's very simple. You need to go to the open option, click on the connect option here. And now you can see you have a root and you have a password, right? So we know that we already have created a password during the cPanel installation. Okay. Now, as you can see, we have a root here, the username and the password. So how we can access this? So first of all, we need to activate this. So how we can do this? In the right side, you will see the option of open remote console. Click on this. And here you need to put the root as a username and the password. So once you enter the username and password, you need to copy this code systemctl enable now cockpit socket. You need to paste here to enable the login process. Now, once you've done this, you can easily log into your panels. How we can do this? So it's very simple. Go here. We have option like click on overview. And as you can see here, we have a public internet IP. Just copy this and just put here 9090. And you can access the Alma Linux here. Or if you want to access the cPanel, for that, first we need to log it into the WHM. So just use the column and just type here 2087. Make sure you need to put your IP address here. And as you can see here, we have a WPHM login. You need to enter your username and password here. And once you're done, you can easily successfully logged in into WHM panel. That will give you the option of cPanel. That will give you the free cPanel trial access. So this is the overall process to install cPanel in your Kamatera cloud hosting. So there are a lot of servers options you can explore in Kamatera. And the most important thing is that you will get a 30 days free trial. I'll give you the link in the description. You can use that link to sign up. So if you have any doubt, you can ask and comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye-bye.